Good morning, parents and my lovely children. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing fine. I am Manisha, your resource room teacher. Today, ma'am have brought very interesting activity for you. आपको क्या करना है? आपको given objects में से different object को pick करना है. बहुत सिंपल है ना? Which is going to help you in your cognitive skill and cognitive development. You will be observing things, है ना? आप लोगों की ऑब्जर्वेशन स्किल बढ़ेगी, आपका थिंकिंग पावर बढ़ेगा, लॉजिक एंड रीजनिंग बढ़ेगी. पेरेंट्स, इस एक्टिविटी के दौरान बच्चों के साथ बातचीत की जा सकती है. एक्चुअली जब हम ये एक्टिविटी करेंगे तो बच्चा इतना कंफर्टेबल हो जाएगा कि उसको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि वो कोई एक्टिविटी कर रहा है या कोई ब्रेन एक्सरसाइज कर रहा है, और साथ साथ में उसका ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट भी होगा. सो आई विल फर्स्ट डेमोन्स्ट्रेट एन एग्जाम्पल एंड देन कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ जाएगा. आप घर पे भी प्ले कर सकते हैं. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो स्टूडेंट्स एंड पेरेंट्स, I am going to demonstrate you one example. See, we have three similar items which has same shape and same color, and there is one item that is extremely different. So it's very easy to identify that which item is different among this. So let's try with the kit that I have. Tell me which one is different. Okay, why? Very good. Claps. So are we ready? Yes. What is this? What is this? What is this? Okay. So what is different? Very good. You have to say glass is different. We are going to start with 3 items. Always start with minimum and then you can increase the number of items. For example, now we are trying only with the 3 items. What is this? What is this?
Cup.
What is this?
Glass.
So what is different? Why?
Glass is one.
Glass is 1. Very good. Now what is different? Very good. Why? Cup is 1. Very good. Now what is different? You have to touch the item. Very good. What is this?
Glass.
What is this?
Glass.
What is this?
Glass.
What is different? Why?
That is one.
Okay. See, in this activity what we have done is we have taken similar same items, like these 3 are glass,
That is baby glass.
but this glass is disposable, and baby glass, it is smaller in height and it is different in color. So that is very easy to recognize. What is this? Very good. What is this?
Heart.
Very good. So in this what we have done is we have taken 2 same animals and 1 different. These 2 camels can be different, and this of course then horse will be 1 odd 1 out. So similarly, we can use any of the favorite items of the kid and play. We can start with these 3 items.
Elephant.
Now I am going to move it to little more in number. What is this? What is this?
Cup.
What is this? What is this? What is this? What is different in this? Okay, what is different in these items? Why?
That is one.
That is 1. Now
That.
this is a cup.
That.
It is a cup.
That.
It is a cup.
That.
It is a cup.
Different.
It is a bowl.
Which is different.
This bowl is different
Why?
because this is 1 in number.
Yeah.
Thank you. So this concept is clear with the kids that any item which is very different from other items and is one in number, is odd one out, and is different. So this concept is clear right now. Tell me, which is different?
This.
Why?
That is me.
This is baby dog. Okay, very good. So now the concept of size is also clear. These three are dogs, but the smaller one is different. Clear. So for another example, what is this?
Car.
What is this?
Car.
What is this?
Car.
Which car is different?
Puppy.
This is mini car. That's why this is a different car. Okay. So this is how we have introduced the concept of size. To check whether the concept is clear, we repeat every activity 3 times. What is this?
Caesar.
What is this?
Caesar.
What is this?
Baby Caesar.
So which is different?
I'm not
What is different?
I'm not
You're not ready? Think and tell which is different and why. इन दोनों के teeth नहीं है और इसके teeth हैं. Okay, see here this scissor have teeth, right Moon? And these scissors don't have teeth. This is the question that this small little baby have asked. So see, during this activity, lot of discussion and observation happens. So we want to motivate that kind of observation only. This is cognitive skill development. Right now you have to tell me which scissor is different and why. According to you, which is different? According to this little baby, now this scissor have become different because he have noticed that this scissor is different in its build. So see, हमें बच्चों से बहुत different answer भी मिल सकते हैं and he is right at his part. This one is different because of its shape. But if I ask you, baby, according to size, which scissor is different according to size? Tell me. The smallest? Very good. So now this concept is clear with the kid. We have to also keep motivating the kid. So as the section and class increases of the child, we can increase the level of difficulty maybe or level of interest. For example, they all are land animals?
Yeah.
Okay. What is this?
Sea animal.
So which one is different? Okay, why? Because this is one sea animal. So now here we have found the nature. The shape is different. The name of items is different. But we have found a common nature of the animal. Like these are the land animal, forest animal, wild animals. And this is water animal. So tell me, what is this?
Wheel.
Okay, it lives in water.
Yeah.
What is this?
Dolphin.
It lives in water.
Yeah.
What is this?
Fish.
It lives in water.
Yeah.
What is this?
Octopus.
It lives in water.
Yes.
What is this?
Duck.
Where does starfish live?
Water.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What is this?
Wheel.
Where does whale live?
Water.
What is this?
Temperature.
What is this?
Fat.
Where does shark live?
Water.
What is this?
Steam.
Where does it live?
Water.
What is this?
Land animal.
Land animal. What is the name of this land animal?
Camel.
Very good. What is this?
Seahorse.
Where does it live?
Water.
But it is horse. But it is seahorse.
मैंने बोला seahorse ही बोला था.
Okay, okay. So,
वो कहते हैं ना.
okay, this is seahorse. So tell me, which is odd one out here? Why? Because that is land animal. Let's clap for you. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, 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 clap. Very good. So See, now this concept is also clear. So this is how we can clear so many concepts of the kid. Like, what is this?
Car.
What is this?
Car.
And what is this?
A helicopter.
What is different here? Which item is different? Why?
One.
Because it is air transport.
Yeah.
And these are
Car.
car. Car runs on, moves on
Road.
road. So these are road transport. This is air transport. That's why it is different. So these are the examples how we can work on our kids' cognitive skill development, and this is how we can conduct this activity with the items that are available at your home only. Any kind of toys also. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope the kids will enjoy doing this activity at home. Thank you so much.